Daryl, and our 2-second lean project today is organizing our top table here a little bit, and also pulling some of our manuals and SOPs up onto the top here, where we're not always bending down and having to take them out of a drawer. And also to organize our chargers here a little bit and our power bar. We're going to be building a cabinet that'll be sitting on the corner of our table here. It's out of our work area on our table for the most part, and so that'll organize that corner of the table and get our manuals and our SOPs up into a cabinet here, so you're just reaching up and pulling out what we need. So that's our project today. Got that done now. So we've got a flip-up door here, easy access to information that we need for working on special hardware or looking up instructions in the SOP for installation of hardware. And also some cleaning material, some Varsol gun wash and water for cleaning up cabinets when we're done. So that's our finished project.